How to create material map animations in Unreal Engine 5. First, I open directional lines and reset the planes to the default value and the sphere to the same thing. And next, I create a new material and change the name m_arrow. And I open it. And next, I drag this texture into here. And now, I select this one and change the blend mode to translucent. And connect to opacity. And I will select this one again and click to side. And I hold on 3 key and left click. Connect this node. And also can change this color. And I hold on M key and left click to create multiply. Hold on 1 key and left click. Create this one. And next I will convert to parameter to change the name. And do the same thing. Change the name to color. Next, we type the panel and connect to UV and change the speed as speed. And you can see our material animation is finished. We close it. Yeah, we drag to the sphere. And also you can create a material instance. You can open this one and change the intensity, and also you can change the color. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.